You guys ready for a Hawaii adventure? I am. Aloha. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, but I've been awake since 4 because I have jet lag. So I decided to go for a walk. The ground may break off without warning and you could be seriously injured or killed. Stay back from the edge. Will do. Cool. I was just like, man, it's so dark still. And then I came out from under the canopy. Hello. The sun is rising. And I can take my headband off. Humid, beautiful, lush. So much elevation gain. I know I'm a big baby from hiking in Florida all this time. Ooh, what? This is incredible. Incredible. I am so glad I got out of bed this morning. Yes. Gonna go to the top of this thing. Pu'u, maybe? I'm sure I said that wrong. It means hill. Whoa. Hello, Honolulu. This is pretty cool. It's a sweet view of Honolulu. The tops of the trees just have the coolest texture. I don't know the trees yet, but I'm gonna learn them, or at least some of them. That's eucalyptus, though, right? And I'm supposed to be going by these strawberry guava trees and the native koa tree. So, man, they're so cool looking. Anyway, focus. I need coffee. It's that time of day, and I have not had any yet. I was just thinking that I'm so glad that I ended up, ooh, beautiful. God, I do have ADHD. Anyway, I'm so glad that I ended up coming all the way up the hill on this hike because I really considered not doing it. Right when I got to the trailhead, there was another woman, she was out walking the neighborhood. So, and it was thundering, and there was like, it was lightning, but just like the flashes of lightning, like in the clouds, not like connecting, you know? So I talked to this woman, and she was like, yeah, it says it's not supposed to rain till this afternoon, but I think it's gonna rain sooner. And she was like, are you going she said, are you going on the trail? And I was like, yeah, I think so. Maybe just for a little while though, if it starts to rain. And she was like, yeah, when it rains, it can get super dangerous because the water like comes down, the sides of the mountains and stuff. And I mean, look at the trail. It is like very muddy. So if it were raining, I could see this being incredibly difficult. Lots of roots, lots of mud. But, so like I took what she said into account, and I thought about it, and I just tried to pay attention to the weather, and I kept going. And, like that sort of thing kind of happens on trail a lot, where everybody starts telling you this and this and this and this. And it's like, if you don't have the experience with it, then I say, you know, you listen to the people that do have the experience. But you have to also trust your own instincts and your own gut, because what might frighten somebody else might not be a challenge to you. Pretty. Oh, my legs are already kind of sore from going downhill. It was steep and gnarly. I should definitely head back to the house. They're keeping all these little side trails, and I'm like, ooh, where's that one go? So like, I'm just gonna go up and just look around the bend. I'm not gonna follow the whole trail, but maybe next time I will. I'm ready. I have a slight problem. That problem being myself and my curiosity, and how I just want to keep going and seeing what else is out here, you know? But I need coffee, so got to go back to civilization. And I am dog sitting, so I'm going to go get my dog. And then maybe I can take her on a really cool walk somewhere. Not like this, though, because I don't think she's that kind of girl. Oh, it's about to get steep. It's like straight up. I knew it, though. I thought about it the whole time I was coming down. I was like, oh, this is going to be harder going back up. And I didn't bring my poles because I didn't want to have to worry about whether or not they were going to get flagged at the airport. It's a little bit sketchy in a few places. Straight up. Yep. Almost there. That was hard and fun. Now time for the easy trail. Kinda. This would be marked as a seasonal stream on God Hook. Whew. Oh, snap. Okay. Let's just be smart. All right, Pu'u Pia, Pu'u Pia. I'm not sure. That trail was pretty fun. I enjoyed it. It was mostly pretty like gradually going up, lots of rocks and roots. I wouldn't come out here probably like the day it rained. So it's really muddy, and I could see it being super slippery. Whoa, look at all of these pretty plants, dude. I didn't even see this because it was dark. Hi. Thank you. Oh, that is beautiful. Anyway, yeah, it was like pretty gradual. I think it was maybe like 1.5 miles or something up to the top of the hill. And I could have gone that way. Kolowalu Trail, Kolowalu. If I had done that one, I would have gone up on the top of another ridge. I'll probably do that tomorrow. Yeah, it was pretty awesome.